In one of my video, a guy dropped a comment saying no workstation. I just want to address that, and I'm here to tell you that if you are a trader, you don't need to have a big screen, you don't need to have a workstation before trading. So if you are a beginner, don't let all these type of people delay your journey. Yeah, I was once like that, thinking I need to have multiple screen, final station, like I should set up my decks in order to be a trader. No, the in tools you need to become a trader, yeah, it's just a phone, your mobile phone, your laptop, and mi-fi. You can use either your phone or your mi or your either your laptop or your phone and a strong internet. That is just the two things you need to be able to trade, and the rest is just your skill set and your psychology. Take it from a person like me. Since I've been trading, I traded on my laptop just I think 5 times. 5 times. The Since I've been trading since like even this year, I haven't traded on my laptop at all. I'm only trading on my phone. I'm only trading on my phone, and you can see I'm posting the result. I know there is a disadvantage and advantage, but I can only say that there is only two advantage of like trading with a big screen and small screen. The only disadvantage I'm going to say is that on a big screen you are going to have access to see large stuff. On your phone now, your phone might be only showing, if let us say you want to do this candlestick per frame, now we are using 1 minute, it can only show you I think 2 hours. But if you are using big screen, it can show you like 6 hours, that you are going to have access to everything. And I think those big screen are going to have some features that your mobile phone is not going to have. Those are just the two disadvantage I can say big screen have, and like having a desktop workstation. But if you are just using your mobile phone, you are good. I'm using my mobile phone and I'm trading on my mobile phone, and I'm good with it, and I even love it because I have light on my phone 247. I can go anywhere with my phone 247. I can't go anywhere with my laptop 247. So that's also one like advantage of trading on your mobile phone. You can be with your mobile phone even in your toilet, anywhere in the world, but you can't be with your laptop 247. So guys, if you just want to start trading, don't pressure yourself because you did not have a big screen, you did not have a trading station. Don't let that one weigh you down. You can start with your phone, you can start making the money on your phone. The most important thing is the skill set. Imagine you knowing how to trade very well on phone, and you now have access to big screen. I don't really know it, but I'm just projecting it. Like if you are already good using a small screen, imagine they now present a big screen to you. I think that is going to be like one advantage to you. But if you know how to trade only on big screen and you don't know how to trade on small screen, that's a big disadvantage for you. And even I'm going to advise beginner to start anything they want to do with their mobile phone. Also, like I said, that some features might just be available on bigger screen, that it won't be available on small screen. I think something like trading view and co has some features that is only like accessible on laptop big screen, not on mobile phone. That's are just the two different. You want access to some stuff, and is that going to present with a big display. Those are just the two things I can say is the disadvantage, but the rest is just normal thing, and it is what you can find your way around it. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to block that subscribe button. Today is Sunday. I'm not trading. I think I just wake up like this. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to block that subscribe button for more educative content on trading like this.